So you're scrolling through Twitter. You come across this video. Someone's put a shrimp in front of a cat's face. Cat appears to be asleep. You're wondering, is this cat going to wake up because it smells the shrimp? Looks like it's taking little bites in its dream. This is pretty cute. If this cat wakes up from this shrimp, I might need to share this video. Oh my God, there it is. Cat woke up from the shrimp. I'm sharing it. Now, after we tap that share button, we're still inside Twitter, and therefore Twitter controls all the tracking of what you share. Now, when we click this Share Via button, we're sending the tweet link out of Twitter's control to your iPhone's share sheet. Now, you may want to send this straight in a message to a friend. It's urgent for them to see it. You may be wanting to share it in your notes. Save it for a rainy day when you're feeling a little sad. Either way, you want to start by clicking Nat Cleaner. Now you can see the trackers have been removed from the link. You're just going to click Share again, and now you can choose wherever you want to share it. The link is now Clean Link.